Music scalable? You bet your sweet ass it is. A week ago I put together a video called Wanna Be Crazy Stupid Rich, and if you didn't get a chance to watch it yet, I totally encourage you to do so. So this video is kind of like a supplement to that video, and I wanted to quickly talk about why music is truly the most popular product ever created. Now, is music a broad product or service? Absolutely. It doesn't matter what genre of music you like, or even if you like multiple genres, music is truly universal. It's hard to find, I'm sure there are maybe a very tiny amount of people in the world, but it's hard to find people in the world who actually don't like music. It doesn't even matter what type of music you like and what type of music you hate. All of us love music. Music is truly universal. You know, when Steve Jobs, a great business hero of mine, when he was introducing the iPod back in 2001, he famously said on stage, he said music has no bounds. And second, is music scalable? You bet your sweet ass it is. I'm not in the music industry, but I do understand how incredibly important touring is. Touring, of course, is not scalable, but music in general is very, very scalable. In this one, I don't even have to explain. Your favorite song is basically broadcast over and over again, or you can continuously hit that play button on Spotify, on your Apple Music, on your whatever, on your good old-fashioned iTunes at this point, good old-fashioned iTunes. And that song will just keep on playing and playing for you year after year, right? Decade after decade. So music is truly scalable. Now, even though all of us love music, and I'm not attacking music, but do musicians lie? Of course they do. They definitely lie. Musicians are business people. Good musicians are really good business people, okay? Madonna, Rihanna, whomever, they are really good business people. They understand what it takes to see what it is that their fans want to hear, and they're basically going to stick to that script. They're going to say what their fans want to hear. I'm not picking on any particular musician, okay? I'm just talking in generalities. It's what their fans want to hear, and it's what they're going to deliver. I remember in the other video I said find the best way to appeal if you want to become crazy, stupid, rich. Well, what does music do? Whatever genre, music has every different way of appealing to you as you wish. Music has sad songs, it's got happy songs, it's got songs when you're excited, it's got songs to celebrate, it's got every type of song, and even within types of songs, within each genre, there's all different additional types of splitting that into more and more divisions of things that you want to basically listen to. Take sad songs, right? There's sad songs for the sake of sad. There's sad songs when you break up with someone. There's happy songs when you're truly just happy just for the sake of being happy. There's happy songs that are empowering. You get the idea. Truly, music has the ability to appeal to you, and musicians really understand how to appeal to you in the best way that they think they're going to get you to believe in what it is they're selling you. Do you remember how I said in the other video, if you want to become crazy, stupid, rich, the one thing that you never do is allow your customers to think, but instead always make them feel? What do you think is the whole point of music in the first place? Music, no matter what type of music it is, it doesn't even matter. Classic, rock, hip-hop, soft rock, I don't care, whatever, it doesn't matter. All music is there to make you feel a certain way. I don't think there's ever been a commercial song ever created in the history of the world that makes you think even one single bit. It all is about making you feel. Really think about it. There's not a song out there that makes you think. Every single song is designed to make you feel. Every single song is designed to hit you on a particular emotion. That's what the whole point of music is. That's its love, that's its genesis, that's its basis, that's its beauty. Music truly is the most universal, the most successful, and truly the most popular product ever created. So send me your comments and questions, and each week you'll get a chance to win a copy of one of my books. Your choice, either my book on presentation skills or business writing skills.